please rise for the pledge to the flag.
Good morning, Cedar Crest. It is Thursday, November 1st. I'm Katie Knapp.
And I'm Nevaeh Whitman.
Coming up, we have information about the C Club's new recycling program.
Also, today you can sign up for the blood drive. Business teacher Mr. Harris talks about how blood donors saved his life.
We'll be right back with this and all your school news. In class news, seniors, today is your last chance to get your picture in the yearbook. Blue Cardinal will be in the high school till 10 a.m. today to take your senior photo for yearbook. Juniors, the application for Pennsylvania's Governor's School for the Sciences is open. The 5-week summer residential program at Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh for students interested in the math and science emphasizes cooperative learning and hands-on laboratory research. Today, we are running on an activity schedule for class meetings. 9th grade, report to the cafe. 10th grade, the old gym. 11th grade, the new gym. 12th grade, the auditorium. Successful applicants for Carnegie Mellon receive a full scholarship, which includes housing, meals, and all instructional materials. For more information and to apply, go to sciences.pa-gov-schools.org. You can also receive information in the counseling office. Seniors and juniors, tomorrow is the deadline to register for the deadly December ACT, which is given here at Cedar Crest. Register at act.org.
In club news, all FBLA members, don't forget to turn in your regional competition permission slips and payment by Wednesday. If you weren't at this week's meeting, stop by room 809 to pick up a copy. Tomorrow will be Hat Day to help Leukemia and Lymphoma Society provide support for blood cancer patients. Approximately every 9 minutes, someone in the U.S. dies from blood cancer. That's 6 people every hour. Wear a hat and donate $1 tomorrow. Homeroom teachers will have stickers and collect donations. You can sign up for the blood drive during lunches in the cafeteria today. Business teacher Mr. Harris is in the studio to talk about how blood donations helped save his life when he was fighting cancer.
My name is Mr. Harris, and right now I'd like to talk about the FBLA blood drive happening on November 16th. You can register for that blood drive today during lunch periods. In 2014, I was diagnosed with cancer, and I went through 20 rounds of chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a killer of cancer cells, which is good, but it also kills regular blood cells. In December of 2014, I was admitted to the hospital with dangerously low blood cells and blood counts, white blood cell counts and red blood cell counts. During that next week, I was in the intensive care unit receiving blood transfusions. I received 6 in total and 3 platelet transfusions. Without those blood transfusions, without the donated blood from good people in our community, I would have passed away, plain and simple. Donating blood is such a good thing for the community. 1 donation can save up to 3 lives, which is incredible. Please, if you can, consider donating to this great cause. Please help FBLA on November the 16th with their blood drive. If you can be a hero to somebody. Thanks, guys. Back to the anchors.
Blood and platelets cannot be manufactured, so blood donors are the only source. You can sign up today in the cafeteria.
If you do not have a lunch but would like to sign up, see FBLA advisor Mrs. Sullivan in room 809.
Seniors, juniors, and sophomores. Colleges are in the visiting center at Cedar Crest, so sign up today at the College and Career Center desk in the library if you are interested in meeting with them. Here are the upcoming college visits. Today, Muhlenberg College.
Tuesday, November 13th, Empire Beauty School. Please note this is for seniors only. Widener University.
The Lebanon County CTC is holding its annual Community Open House on Thursday, November 8th from 6 to 8 p.m. Everyone is welcome to attend alone or with a parent or guardian. You can tour the CTC, watch or be part of a student demonstration, and meet teachers. No registration is necessary.
C Club began a new recycling program in the 300 hallway this week. The club bought new recycling bins for science classrooms and will collect and recycle plastics.
Yesterday was the first day the recycling bins were changed by the C Club members.
BV3 correspondent Sierra Gunnels produced this video about the new recycling program.
Put it on so you can have masking tape. We need a piece of masking tape like along the front.
The Sky, Earth and Environment, or C Club, has kickstarted a new recycling program. The entire process is student-run, so members of the club will be changing their recycling bins every activity period. The C Club will start by integrating the program in the science hallway, and if funding for this club continues, the program can continue to branch out to the rest of the school.
So we're just getting cans and plastic bottles.
We do as much as we can to recycle around the school, and we learn to appreciate the environment.
We thought it would be good to recycle everything that we could, so we wanted to get all of the bottles and cans that students are using throughout the day.
Our planet is dying, so we gotta recycle and take care of it because it's the only one we got. And places like schools and restaurants are a big source of waste and sometimes aren't the most environmentally friendly, so trying to get this implemented is very important for our future.
Recycling is great for our environment. We want to keep things out of the landfills as much as we possibly can, so recycling is one of the only options we really have at school.
The C Club was motivated to integrate this program because of the lack of control over the school's current program. Many recycling bins were mistaken for trash cans, and none of the materials in the bins were recycled as a result.
A lot of people would just mistake a trash can for recycling or just not really care, but if we at least have that recycling option available, then it will help a little bit.
I guess it makes me upset because we go through all this work to get the recycling bins there so that we can actually work to help the environment, and then people just throw normal trash into it, and it's kind of what's the point?
We just ask everyone to please use the bins appropriately so that way everything can get sorted appropriately.
Make sure to recycle any materials you may have during your science classes.
You can recycle bottles and cans only in the bins, so make sure to do so in your science classes today.
In sports news, the Winter Sports Physicals and Section 7 forms are due by November 9th in order to participate in the winter sports.
Any girls interested in playing basketball this year must also complete their Section 7 form. Please see Coach Lutz in room 207 if you need one.
Varsity athletes, if you are interested in ordering a varsity Letterman jacket, please see Mr. Snyder or Mrs. Jupenlot in the high school office to pick up an order form. Orders will be accepted until Monday, November 19th. Jackets will again be offered for sale at the conclusion of winter and spring sports seasons.
And now we send it over to Kyle with your weekend weather outlook.
Kyle, is November going to start off dry?
It will start dry for today, but then unfortunately showers are going to be coming in overnight and it will persist into tomorrow. For today, we're going to have partly cloudy skies with thunderstorms in the afternoon with a high 72 and a low of 63. On Friday, the thunderstorms are going to persist throughout the day, hit or miss, with technical difficulties with a high 66 and a low of 48. Okay, mics are dead. And there's no graphics. Okay. Saturday, we're going to have morning clouds with some afternoon sunshine with a high 53 and a low of 35. On Sunday, we're wrapping up with mostly sunny skies with showers late in the day with a high of 55 and a low of 41, with my graphic finally coming back from trick-or-treating. That's all for your weekend weather outlook. Back to the desk.
Thanks, Kyle. We have a last-minute birthday announcement. Happy birthday, Hunter from Diabetic. That's all for your morning announcements today. I'm Katie Knapp.
And I'm Nevaeh Whitman. Make it a great day, Cedar Crest.